Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a Noritz water heater flashing code 54 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, code 54 on a Noritz tankless water heater typically indicates an ignition failure or a problem with the gas supply. In the 2025 models, this code might also relate to updated safety features, like enhanced flame detection sensors, which are designed to prevent potential hazards. So, if your unit isn't heating water properly or it's shutting down unexpectedly, this could be the culprit. Now, let's talk about the common causes. This error often stems from issues like a disrupted gas flow, dirty burners, or even a faulty igniter. For instance, if there's low gas pressure from your supply line, or if sediment has built up in the unit, it can trigger code 54. In newer 2025 models, software glitches from firmware updates might also play a role, so always ensure your heater's software is up to date. To troubleshoot, start with safety. Turn off the power and gas supply to avoid any risks. Check your gas line for blockages or leaks, and inspect the burner for any visible dirt or debris. You can try resetting the unit by unplugging it for a few minutes and then restarting. If that doesn't work, use the diagnostic mode on your 2025 Noritz model to run a self-test. The user manual has detailed instructions for this. For fixes, if it's a simple issue like a dirty filter, clean it out with a soft brush and mild detergent. But if you're seeing persistent problems, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can handle things like replacing sensors or adjusting gas pressure safely. Remember, messing with gas appliances without expertise can be dangerous, so prioritize your safety. In summary, code 54 is usually fixable with basic troubleshooting, but always err on the side of caution. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.